So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with a new script of PTC ads watching website. So basically this is a PTC and binary MLM website, and you can also use it as a multi-level marketing website and PTC website. So basically this is this concept of website. So if you want to buy the script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and buy the script easily from us, and you will get a complete support from installation to if you face any issue, you will get a complete support. If you need this complete website with domain name and hosting, we will also provide you a complete website. You can contact us for more details. For any demo, you can contact us. And in this video I will give you a demo of this website and its admin panel, and here you can see the amazing look of its home page, and you can completely change these things from admin panel. And here you can see that create account, choose plan, invest and get commission. So here you can see the different investment plans of multi-level marketing and PTC, and here you can see the business volume, referral commission. Here you can see the daily ad limit option from here, and you can create as many as plans from admin panel in a way you want. Here you can see the expert team and all these things you can change them from admin. Here you can see the latest transaction, deposit, withdrawals, and these are all the gateways. So now let's go to our user dashboard and let's see how its user dashboard will look like. So I have already logged into my user dashboard, so I will just directly go to my dashboard. And here you can see the amazing look of its dashboard. Here you can see total clicks, remaining clicks, total deposits, withdraw, current balance. You can see everything right here. Total referral, left PV, right PV, everything you can see right here. So if we go to plan, here you can invest in different plans. Just click on subscribe plan and you can easily subscribe plan. Here is business volume logs. Here are the my referral option. You can see the referral left and right referral tree from here, and you can refer different users. Here is my tree option. So here you can see your referral tree. Here is binary summary. Here is a deposit option. You can deposit money by using any of the deposit gateway. So you just have to select the gateway and you can deposit money using any gateway. So if you want to use it with local gateways such as EasyPaisa, JazzCash, Paytm, you can use local payment gateways as well. So here you can easily withdraw money. Just click on withdrawal, and using these gateways you can withdraw money, and you can create your own gateway from admin. Here you can transfer your balance from one account to another. Here you can see reports and logs of referral commission. Here you can turn on of two-factor authentication. You can see support, you can change profile setting, and this is login history. So this is the user panel information, and now let's go to its admin panel and let's see how we can control this website from admin panel. So I'm directly going to admin login page. So here you can see that I have successfully entered to the admin login page. So here you have to enter your username and password for admin, and when I click on login, it will redirect me to my admin dashboard. So this is the amazing admin dashboard from where admin can control the complete site from here. And here you can see total user, active user, total deposits, total recharge, total withdrawals, graph related to investments, PTC, everything you can see right here. Here you can see all the notifications and all these things from here. So here when we go to plan, from here you can create the plans, as many as plans you want, and if you want to edit the existing plan, you can do it from here. You can disable them, and if you want to create a new plan, you can create by filling these details. So here are the PTC ads option. Here you can insert your PTC ads. Just click on add option and you can easily insert a PTC ad from here. You have to give the link of advertisement, any image you want to show, and anything you want to show to a user you can show in ads. So here is a manage user. You can manage all the users by going to active users. You can manage their KYC. From payment gateways, you can manage the payment gateways. So these are all the automatic payment gateways you can see right here. And if you want to use manual gateway, EasyPaisa, JazzCash, Paytm, any gateway you want to use, just click on add new and you can use it from here. You can create it from here. So it's completely simple to manage. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. If you buy from us, we will give you a complete support that no one will provide you. So on script and complete website you need with domain name hosting, we also provide the complete website. So here you can see a deposit option. You can approve or reject the deposit request of users from here. So just click the pending deposits and go to details, and here you can approve or reject the request of deposit from here. So similar is the case with withdrawal. You can approve the withdrawal request or reject them. Here is a support ticket option. You can manage the support tickets of user. Here are all the reports. You can view the reports of invest log, baby log, the referral commission, binary commission, everything right here. So let's go to general setting, and from general setting basically you can change the site title, you can change the site currency, you can convert it to any local currency, PKR, INR, NGN, any currency you want, you can do it. So here you can manage some other settings as well. So when we go to system configuration, we can turn on off user registrations, emails, SMS, everything you want to turn on off from here. You can turn it on off from here. So here you can set the matching bonus by business volume, and let's go to manage logo. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website, and you can insert logo of your own website from here. So here you can manage the notifications of the website, email, SMS, everything you want to manage, you can do it from here. From manage section, you can completely edit the website. So if I want to edit the about section, just go to it. You can change the image, description, anything you want to edit, you can do it from here, and just click on submit and the information will be updated. Similarly, you can edit all these sections from here. So viewers, in this video I guided you completely about this website and its admin panel. If you want to buy this script from us, do contact us, and you can easily buy this script from us on a very low price from market. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.